For established garden beds, I love a good hardwood mulch. You just want to make sure that your mulch is unstained or unpainted in any way. Usually, a lot of big box stores will sell mulch that has been dyed a darker color, and that kind of artificially makes the wood look like it's been aged for a little while and has a healthy amount of breakdown going on in that mulch. However, of course, it's just an illusion, and that dye can bleed off into your surrounding landscapes. It can even sometimes dye, concrete and stone paths, and in rainstorms. And so I heavily suggest you look for, a natural hardwood aged mulch. For especially established beds, and that mulch will stay in place for quite a long time while it slowly breaks down and enriches your soil. But again, it lasts longer than a lot of other types of mulch.